Hey guys, welcome back. This is Charles at First Auto Credit. I'm on my 2019 Paddleking LoPro cruisers here. And what I'm doing right now is we're going to bring it in the showroom. So I'm just cleaning it up. I want to show you guys how simple cleanup is. This is a vinyl floor. All I do is scrub it just a little bit. There's a nice space between the floor there. This is just for video's sake here, to give you guys a good idea of how easy cleanup is on these. We'll go open the door. And if you have speakers and things of that nature on your boat like we do here, just don't spray directly into them. They are all marine speakers. And here we can show all the water. We have this boat on an angle here, jacked up in the front. And we can wash everything off real good. And then we'll just leave it at this angle here, and it'll drip dry. Hit it with a squeegee a little bit here and there. And then you have a nice clean Paddleking Floor Plan #1 cruiser. If you have any questions on this boat or any others, don't hesitate to give me a call at 204-7777, or you can go to our website at firstautocredit.com. Thank you. You'll have a great evening.